Janae with Palin Projects here, and in today's video I'm potting up my front door planter. So again, this is another one of those big pots that I have that we utilized for our wedding to house water and ice and stuff like that for our wedding. But they make great statement pieces at not only the driveway but at my front door. So for my centerpiece, I chose some ornamental mullet. Blooms midsummer to fall, plant in full sun, water weekly, grows 4 to 5 feet tall. Big plant. I'm pretty excited for this. There's a bee. Okay, go somewhere else. I have plenty of flowers. Okay, go. I think it's a wasp. That's not a bee. Okay. Thank you, Delbs. Trusty Delbs. Saves me. So I'm pretty excited for these. Penstemon Glaucum, Purple Majesty. I think it'll be a pretty neat statement piece in the front, and I can utilize it in my fall container, which is exciting. Double use. This is going to be an annual, grow as an annual, not hardy, is the hardiness zone on it. So everyone, annual. In the front, I chose to go with 2 Cascade Double Blues. They're petunias, 12 to 15 inches tall and wide. Plant and sun are part shade, so I don't know, is that focusing? There we go. It's a mix, so they're not all that dark blue. I have some up here, and some are like a violet to a pink color. I'm fine with it, not a big deal. In the back, so kind of as my filler this year, I'm doing a Yellow Madness petunia. Large colorful blooms brighten gardens and containers, attracts hummingbirds. These grow 12 to 14 inches tall, and same with the Midnight Madness. So sticking kind of with the purple, blue, yellow theme for those ones. So let's go plant up the planter. Okay, for my front door pot, I'm going to recharge the soil with some Biotone starter fertilizer. I have 2 petunias, Midnight Madness and Yellow Madness. They're kind of pretty. So I'm just going to pluck those guys out and go 1, 2. Oh, that was we'll go like this. Put a purple one there, and a yellow one there. I have an ornamental mullet. It's going to go in the center, towards the back, I think. And then a Cascade Double Blue. Actually, let's go like this. I think that's going to be pretty. And we'll put that there, and look at that flower. Isn't that gorgeous? Again, this is the Cascade Double Blue. Sometimes they're darker, sometimes they're lighter, so it's a mix. But since I fluffed the soil beforehand, again, I'll just dig in with my hands, place the root ball, and then just make sure that there is enough soil around the root ball. Get my big plants in there first, and then do my little petunias. There we go. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you in the next video.